Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Remmy and I work for Remmy Technologies. Yes, it's a very interesting moment to actually interact with you on social media, specifically maybe YouTube and Facebook. So today we're going to learn, I'm going to help you learn something that is related to the world of technology, specifically that is a computer. Yes, at this point, I would like to tell you that get your time and just get into your YouTube account or log in with your Gmail and subscribe to Remmy Technologies YouTube account. That is where you will get a free help on how you can fix your computer or how you can fix your electronic. So today we're going to learn about something new and something maybe you have not seen or something that you want to learn, and I'm here to help you get through with it. What am I talking about? I'm talking about how we can power a computer, and specifically a Dell Latitude, that is E7240. This laptop E7240 is an iQuad 7 and is one of the best laptop that I have ever seen. As you have seen, it is being written here that not switching on. So how do we power this laptop, in particular the Dell Latitude E740? Yes, it might be very difficult, but we want to do it practically and see if we can be able to succeed. First of all, let me try for you and see really if the laptop is not powering. Yes, as you have seen, there is no any display on the what? On the screen. It remains black. The fan is not running and there are no lightings that are coming on the computer. So the next thing that you are going to do is, after seeing such thing, the first thing you have to do is by actually now dismantling this computer or opening this computer to see how we can be able to figure out the problem. So you have to close it slowly, come onto your back here and check on it, and then you have to actually open, and then you actually have to open these screws one by one. Especially this one is very easy. You just unlock from here and you open it out, and then of course you have also to remove the battery, which is this one. You unlock it from here and then you remove the battery. That is the first step. Then the second step is you have also to see, you have always to see where this keyboard is being locked, because you have to remove it, otherwise it will also cause for you a problem. So you simply have to unlock this with your tool and then you remove like this. This is you have already removed the keyboard. And then also, you know, these nuts, you have to untie them. You have to untie this one as well. You have to untie this one. You have to untie this one. From here you will come to the side and also untie from here. Untie from here to unlock this part here. Of course, you must be having the tools there to unlock it, of course, and getting it out. Then you have to be able to turn it upside down slowly to see that this point here is actually out from the PC. If it does not completely unlock, of course, it's going to be difficult for you to open. You always need to have your tools in place to enable you open this. So here we have opened, and then you come back to your PC, you open it. The next thing is you remove these ones out. Since you have untied the tools, the screws from the other side, you have to remove it slowly and slowly until of course it is out. After that, you go to your keyboard. You also unlock from the keyboard lockers. Of course, as you have seen, it has nuts. You also have to unlock, and then you successfully open your keyboard and remove it slowly, since you have unplugged it from the other side. So after here, you put them slowly in one place. Now this is how your PC look like. This is the power button. And then what you need to do is you have to remove this wire out, since you are going to remove all this housing here out to see what is in the motherboard. So you just unplug slowly, and then also you have to remove this another fiber here. This fiber, you have to remove it out because this attaching to the board. So from here you can now check slowly. There are also some nuts on the side. You have to remove those nuts. Other nuts from here you have also to untie, and then you have also to remove these fibers here. These fibers are for the buttons, and then the mouse here, the sensor. So you have to remove them slowly, not to cause for you more damage. Yeah, as a technician you have to take it slowly and slowly. And then from here you can now unlock this cover slowly and until you have to open it. So this is how we go through it slowly by slowly. Yeah, don't hurry because there is still more time. There is another locker here. You get it out slowly and slowly. So successfully we have removed this one out. Our next thing is to configure exactly if this computer is going to power. And for this specific laptop, that is Dell Latitude E7240, we will conclude that there are three issues here when you see a laptop not powering. First of all, you will look into the power on button and see if there are rusting inside it. And then secondly, another problem could be also the battery does not supply the power on the board, or else maybe there is a problem from the charging system that is not supplying the battery, which will enable the laptop to power. Another third problem is the issue of the CMOS battery. This is the CMOS battery, and we believe this is the third problem that could make this computer not to power. So when this CMOS battery is having no problem, I mean when it's having problem, or it's already finished, or it has some technical issue, definitely it will cause this computer not to power. So we are here to figure it out, and we are starting with the issue of this battery, because most of these computers have the same problem related to the CMOS battery. So how do we check that this battery isn't working or is not working? That means if we unlock this battery, if we remove it from the board, the computer is going to reset itself, and when it resets itself, that is where you will have fixed the problem. So we need to see and start how we can now fix the problem. Yes, there are different types of CMOS battery, but this one specifically has a wire, and this wire is connected to another board here, and this board is locked onto the housing, and it is connected to the main board with a fiber. So what we do is we don't remove this fiber. Since it has been attached strongly, we can simply unlock the fiber from here. This is where we unlock it from, and we are done. Yes, you have to get your charger since the battery has been removed from the laptop. So you have to use the charger to supply power onto the board. So this is the big pin Dell charger for Dell Latitude, that is E7240. And this is how you connect it from the back. Yes, when you connect it, you will just see lighting on the board. That shows that the motherboard has been reset and it's ready to power. And immediately you go to your power button, of course, which is here. You put it on, you will see the fan rolling, and you will see the lights. And if it had started automatically, you will have to put on again to see that the computer powers by itself. So immediately you will see the screen displaying, and you will see your laptop back. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as our computer has successfully been powered, yes, it's now time for us to assemble it back. Remember to switch off the computer, and then you can just decide to remove the charger from behind, and then you can go back. If the CMOS battery, of course, is spoiled, you have to replace it. You can go back and connect your fiber. That is the first step. connect back your fiber here. Oh yes, this is our final process after assembling everything. We have to put the back cover, of course, to close up the other parts. Then you get your screw. There's some few nuts you have to tie the back cover down. These nuts are always very tiny, but you have to fix them. So let's see if we have done successful assembly of this PC. Here, as you have seen, it's ready. Before we were pressing, it was not coming on. Let's see whether it can press one touch, and we see whether our work is complete. I think it's not powering still. When you press, the best thing is we have to still connect the power button, otherwise maybe our battery is what? Is down. So let's see, and we power. So it just started powering. Of course, the power was not there. That's why you see invalid configuration. Please run setup. You just press F1. I hope I've helped you to fix your computer that is not powering, specifically Latitude E7240. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more help from me, as I will be unleashing for you more of these topics in the technological world, specifically computer repair and maintenance. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.